Hello Grinders family, as I promised I would be back, and in this video I want to discuss this beautiful trade opportunity that we had on EURUSD. This was 4-hour trade, which means that if you risk $100 you would win $400. I will explain literally everything starting from higher time frame, what was my narrative, what was my thought process before executing this trade, why I was looking for longs, and at which time and what entry model I used to execute this trade and catch this beautiful move. Okay, and by the end of this video you would know exactly how to catch this type of trades every single day during correct time and correct session. Okay, so now let's start from zero, from scratch, and let's see why I took this trade and how you could monetize on this trade. Okay, so let's delete literally everything. First of all, what do we always do? Okay, before you hop on lower time frames like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, you should always, okay, start on higher time frame and see the big picture. Okay, at least daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, weekly time frame. So right now price is bullish, right? This is daily time frame. Price is going upside. It is creating higher highs and higher lows, and it is going and it is targeting some liquidity resting upside, right? So price is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, and price is going for the monthly high that we have right here. If you check the monthly time frame, we have this beautiful high that was never taken out, and price is bullish. On daily time frame we are bullish in uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high. Even on 4-hour time frame we are bullish. And if you check what happened previously on 4-hour time frame, okay, we had this fresh 4-hour fair value gap which got clearly respected, right? As you can see, price couldn't even go to the 50%. Price is so bullish that price didn't even go to the 50% of this fair value gap. Okay, it is already pumping upside. So your narrative and my bias was that price was going upside to target this monthly high. Okay, price will take out this high, trust me. Okay, you will see that price will take out this high. And also, okay, what is correlated pair on with EURUSD? Okay, it is GBP/USD. What can you see on GBP/USD? Look at this, guys. GBP/USD is literally in the same, it is going in the same direction. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It approached our point of interest that we had right here. This is our support and resistance zone. Very nice zone. So rejection, rejection. Here price pumped from this zone, and when price retraced today during London session in this area, okay, I will explain why we were looking for buys. Okay, so look at this. Where is EURUSD? Look at the 15-minute time frame. Okay, obviously, so we are bullish for the day. We were expecting buys, and if you drop on 15-minute time frame, what can we see? Okay, obviously we are looking for buys. And before, so obviously I am trading London session or New York session all the time. On forex pairs I focus on London session, and before London session started, what do we see on the market? Okay, so I use the sessions, and if you check GBP/USD as well as EURUSD, what can you see? Okay, what is this, guys? GBP/USD took out the New York PM lows here. We tap into our point of interest, support and resistance zone. We take out the liquidity. Okay, we had consolidation, then we had manipulation, and then we took out the New York PM low, right? And now on EURUSD, what can we see? We had consolidation, we had manipulation, but we couldn't take out the New York PM low. Okay, what does this mean? This means that we have SMT on the lows. Okay, what is SMT? It is divergence, and it is basically your confluence for the direction. Okay, if we have SMT on the lows, as you can see, EURUSD couldn't take out the New York PM low. GBP/USD took out the PM low. What does it mean? That means that we know the direction for the next session. Okay, London session is coming. We had consolidation, manipulation, we have SMT on the lows. During London session we are expecting distribution to the upside. This is power of 3: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution upside. So London session was expected to be the distribution upside. And what do we do? Okay, when we have this SMT on the low and London session is starting, you simply drop on 1 minute time frame, and first of all, you know your targets. Okay, at least, okay, you are not targeting the monthly high in one session, right? Your target for the session should be at least, okay, this should be your target, Asia high. Okay, this is type of target that price can take out very easily. You don't even need to target the New York AM high. Okay, maybe you would leave some runners for this New York AM high, but your first and very nice and the target that is very, very high probable that price will go up is this, is Asia high. Then you drop on 1 minute time frame, okay? We have SMT on the lows. We know the direction. We know that price is going upside. Higher time frame is aligned with lower time frame. So we had 4-hour point of interest. We had 15-minute SMT on the lows, consolidation, manipulation. Now the London session is starting. And what are we waiting for on London session? We are waiting to see that this SMT, whatever we had on 15 minutes, is actually working. So what do we need to see? We need to see what? We need to see change in state of delivery on 1 minute time frame. What does that mean? It means that when we have these last bearish candles and we have this bearish order block right here, we need to see this bearish order block to get disrespected, okay? And we need to see candle closures above the body of the bearish candles. What do we have right here? Look at this. We have what? This is our change in state of delivery. Price managed to shift from bearish to bullish. We close the body above this bearish, okay, bearish candles, which makes this whole range our bullish order block. Now this whole range is our bullish order block and it is our point of interest. But what is my golden zone and my perfect zone? Look at this. Inside, okay, we have change in state of delivery right here during London Open. We have change in state of delivery. We have also what? Inversion fair value gap right here. And we also have what? What is this? We have bullish fair value gap as well, aligned with bullish order block. So look how many confluences we have together, okay? So we have what? Bullish fair value gap right here. So let's mark this out. We have bullish fair value gap. We have what? Bullish order block right here. This is order block. We also have what? Inversion fair value gap right here. And we also are in the, okay, look at this. We also have change in state of delivery. So we have literally 4 confluences aligned with each other. And what is the golden zone in this whole zone? So our entry, the golden zone would be this. So here, this fair value gap. Why? Because this is called balanced price range, okay? So when bearish fair value gap is aligned with bullish fair value gap, it is called balanced price range, and it is actually the golden zone and the highest probable zone that price would literally wick and then go upside, okay? So our target, our entry was simply on this balanced price range right here, our stop below this London lows, obviously. And what should be your target? What did I just mention? I mentioned that during the session, so when you are executing trade on 1 minute time frame, you have to be in a trade at most like 30 minutes or maximum 1 hour, okay? When I execute trades during the session, I'm in a trade couple of minutes, okay? 15 minute, 30 minute or maximum 1 hour, okay? You would target the Asia high and you would catch this beautiful, look at the risk to reward, 4-hour trade in literally, what is this? How many minutes? It is literally 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, okay? And you would catch this beautiful move and you would be done for the day, okay? So let's start again and see what happened, okay? So on higher time frame, we were bullish, okay? Price was bullish. Price was creating higher highs, higher lows. Price respected the bullish fair value gap and it was going for the monthly target, whatever we had upside. On 15 minute, we had SMT on the lows. We had SMT on New York PM lows. And then New York session was, London session was coming, and we were expecting London session to be bullish, at least to take out the Asia high. Then we dropped on 1 minute time frame. What do we have? We have change in state of delivery. We have inversion fair value gap. We have the fair value gap. We have the order block. We have literally everything we need in order to execute trade. We execute it here, and we targeted this beautiful Asia high. And also, if you pay attention to the bodies, okay? Look at this, guys. So, okay, price hit our target, and we took the take profit. But look at this, price drops again into the discounted range, and look at the wicks and look at the bodies, okay? Look where the bodies are closing. Price is just wicking to this area, to the balanced price range, okay? We have the bearish and bullish fair value gap aligned with each other, and look at the bodies, okay? Price just wicks right here, and look how it is respecting this area, okay? So these type of zones are not random, and it actually works very, very nicely. And also, in addition, one more confluence why I was looking for longs was that DXY. On the DXY, I was expecting price to go a bit, okay, downside, okay? I will give you my forecast on the DXY, what I'm expecting. As you can see, right now I am on daily time frame actually. This is my view on DXY. We have this gap that was never filled, which is aligned with 618 Fibonacci level, okay? So I was expecting DXY to retrace to this gap, and remember this, okay? Remember this. Pay attention to the midpoint of this gap, okay? Pay attention to the midpoint. In my opinion, and this is my view, that price would retrace into the 50% in the upper part of this gap into the 618 Fibonacci level, and this will be the bottom of the DXY before we see huge rally to the upside, okay, on DXY. This was one more confluence why what I was expecting longs on EURUSD, and this was basically, this is how I view the markets, okay? GBP USD was bullish, EURUSD was bullish, we had SMT on the lows, then during the session I dropped on 1 minute and we had beautiful trade opportunity during the session, okay? This was 4-hour trade, and these type of opportunities are every single day on the markets, okay? Trust me guys, if you focus on one pair, on one session, during correct time, during correct confluences and entry models, this is all you need to be profitable, okay? Discipline, consistency, and you simply know what you are looking for on the market, okay? I also teach literally everything from scratch, okay? From zero to literally everything that I use. I have the basics, okay? Basic educational materials, all right? I also have advanced educational materials. I will show you. Wait a second. I also have, my Discord. Look at this, guys. I literally have everything that you need, the correct information and like knowledge, whatever you need to be profitable on the markets. We also have our Discord where I share my weekly analysis, okay? I share like weekly analysis. I also share daily analysis, okay? What I'm expecting. I also share my setups, whatever I am expecting, okay? My entries, literally everything. Trade breakdowns. We also do the live calls with the students in order for them to get proper education and like guidance, everything they need to. And also I will show you our results. These are the trades that was shared inside our team, okay, inside our VIP Discord. We shared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. We won 4 trades. One was break even and one was loss. And in December, we are already in 6% profit, okay? So your target as a trader should be like 4, okay? 4 to 6%. Anyone else who says that they are targeting like 12%, 20% a month, they are just trying to sell you something and they are just trying to scam you. Your realistic target for the month should be 4% to 6%. And from our entries, whatever we shared in our VIP Discord, we are, as you can see, already in 6% profit. So if you want to learn and if you want to study literally everything from zero, you can always DM me and we can discuss everything, okay? Thank you guys for listening. This was the beautiful trade that we caught today and see you on the next one. Have a great day, guys.